Menards Rebates, Expiration and Important Details. Menards rebates are a popular way for customers to save money on purchases, but it's essential to understand their expiration policies. Below is a detailed breakdown of Menards rebates, their expiration, and what you need to know to make the most of them. 1. What are Menards rebates? Menards offers mail-in rebates on many products, giving customers a percentage of their purchase back in the form of store credit. These rebates come as a merchandise credit check, MCC, which can be used for future purchases at Menards stores. 2. Do Menards rebates expire? Yes, Menards rebates do have expiration dates. Each rebate form indicates a deadline for submission. If you miss this deadline, you will not receive the rebate. However, once you receive the rebate check, it does not expire and can be used indefinitely for future purchases at Menards. Third, typical expiration timeline. Menards rebates typically must be submitted within 30 days from the purchase date. It is crucial to check the rebate form for the exact deadline to ensure you don't miss out. 4. Where to find expiration information. The expiration date for rebate submission is printed on the rebate receipt provided at the time of purchase and on the rebate form itself. Carefully review both to avoid missing the deadline. 5. What happens if you miss the deadline? If you miss the submission deadline, Menards generally does not honor late rebates. It is essential to send in your rebate forms promptly to ensure you receive your store credit. 6. Do merchandise credit checks expire? No, once you receive your Menards merchandise credit check, it does not expire. You can use it at any Menards store at any time without worrying about losing its value. 7. Tips for managing Menards rebates. Keep all receipts and rebate forms organized. Submit rebates as soon as possible to avoid missing deadlines. Use the Menards rebate tracker to monitor your submissions. Double-check all information before mailing your rebate forms. 8. Common misconceptions. Many people confuse rebate submission deadlines with rebate credit expiration. While submission deadlines are strict, the actual merchandise credit you receive has no expiration date. In conclusion, Menards rebates do have a submission deadline, typically 30 days from the purchase date, but once you receive your rebate credit, it does not expire. Proper organization and timely submission are key to ensuring you receive and retain your savings from Menards.